Good morning, chat. I'm gonna get a little bit more light going on here. Get a little bit more light going on here. Boom. I don't switch. Let me get the YouTube sent to the Discord. And let's get active, gang. We're on some sort of a streak, some might say. What it do, badass? Damn, dude. This could have been a huge freaking hold melt out. Literally after holding for about 12 hours. Wait, how long did we hold this trade? This sell that we took here, boys. Congratulations for everybody who actually held the sell out through last week. I told you guys, make sure you guys are holding all the way to stop loss and all the way to take profit. If you guys are following this challenge pass series with me, I'm going to open up my funding pips. Let me open it up on a different screen. The power of the set and forget, man. The power of the set and forget, really, I never underestimated ever. Such a strong potential, such a strong strategy. Credentials, open trade locker. All right, I haven't even opened up my trade locker. I'm not even sure how much we got charged in swap. I'm not sure how much. I don't even know if we could close the position. I don't know what happened. I know that I set a TP where I told you guys. Oh yeah, look at this Ripple fib playing out, boys. On this time frame, this 4-hour time frame, look at the Ripple fib to the downside. So we have one level of support that's been holding. Let's do this on TradingView. We have, look at on the 4-hour, zoom out. We have one level of support that has been being held, right? And then we have descending levels of support. So it's like everything is just being squeezed towards this one little support level, and then it was bound to pop. It was bound to pop. Let me take a video of this so I could use it for my reel. And bang. Signal was obviously called out on Discord. All right, my bad. I was trying to figure out how to make this next video. I apologize for the silence, boys. Let me see what else oh, let me throw this on Instagram real quick. I need to throw the Discord link on Instagram. And bangers caught and called out on live stream. Don't miss out on today, boys, because we are doing another one of these bangers. Take profit hit. Bangers being called out, boys. Make sure you guys come join the live stream. All right, hey brother, we killed it yesterday. GJ nutted. What to do, Arnold's? What to do, Xander? Arthur, Badass sent me a message, but when in this first initial, and it's a point that I like using. It shows you how, man, so many times, perspective-wise, in a trade, one thinks that their trade actually is about to lose, or one thinks their trade is about to win. Like, it's just so emotional. When sometimes you just have to trust your stuff. For example, our stop loss was placed here because we understood that if we start trading around this level, around the 205 750 level, if we start reaching our stop loss and we actually pass this level, this little line right here, it means for me that we're basically almost done with this wick fill and that we're going to continue wick filling and continue making new highs. If we didn't reach that level, it meant that I was still bearish. Therefore, us not hitting our stop loss just continued to say, hey, yeah, we're valid. We're making descending levels of support. Yeah, the initial push was to the downside. We were halfway, past halfway to take profit. Then it turned around. Then it stayed there for about 10 hours. Then randomly, it started going bullish, and I was like, oh wow, this is where I actually think we're screwed. Close my phone, go to sleep, and bang. I mean, stop loss was still valid. It wasn't going to change anything. I never got worried about it, and especially because of the way that we're trading right now. Obviously, we're risking 1% per trade, so we were down already 2%. We would have lost this trade. We would have been down again 1%, which is not bad at all, especially knowing that we keep on hitting these huge risk-reward ratios that easily could bring us up or freaking past our challenge. So right now, today, we are currently up, let's say 1%. It's a little bit less than 1%, but we're actually just going to risk what we have up here. So we're going for a $700 trade risk. Like, man, I don't have much time on the charts. I have till an hour and a half. I have like an hour and a half on the charts. So I have an hour and a half to actually hop into a trade and try to swing it with you guys. Expecting a candlestick closing, even if we get some sort of rejection, I'm actually hoping that we reject the lower support levels that we are forming right now. I'll tell you why. Because if we reject how we are doing right now, I'd love to see it on the 4 hour. We get a close anywhere in this area, how we did here, how we did here. Potentially, if we close right here, I'm expecting the next 4 hour candlestick to actually wick fill everything that was rejected. So we didn't do it here. We didn't do it here. We didn't do it here. I just don't think that this is a buy. Just because this is a support level, it's not a buy. So therefore, I'd love for it to reject, close around where I circled right here, and then the next candlestick opening, we play it out for the wick fill sell. Y'all understood that plan or what? I just woke up, so I'm a little tired. Hopefully you guys process that, because when I execute, I need you guys to be on point. I need to put music. I know I need to put music. Relax. I need my coffee, boys. All right, let's open up some jams. Man, what a nut, dude. What a nut.
I was born in the arms of imaginary friends.
All right. So like I said, I do not like, I mean, I do understand the fact that GJ has been very bullish and at any time we could start forming bullish price action. I think that calling bottoms here in this situation is going to be very risky. I love the momentum that we've had to the downside. Volume was very aggressive to the downside and then it died out. Maybe even showed some bullish price action. Having this aggressive move happen again on GJ is just kind of confirming the bearish bias that is being formed. Now, I do want a retracement. Like I said, this is not big enough. I wouldn't want to hop in a sell yet. But we are beneath our 204,500 level, right? So remember how we're trading these block order levels that every, you know, we bounce. I remember I told you guys we're going to be at this level. And then from this level, we are bouncing either from here to here or from here to here. Okay, then when we get here, we're either bouncing from here to here or from here to here. Very simple process when you look at it like that, right? Now we have another order. So where's the next order block level? It's at 204 on the dot, which is right here. So now we are right here, right? We're either going all the way back up to here, or we're either going to continue 203,500 to down here. So that's the game we're playing right now. We are basically in this zone right here. We are figuring out, are we bouncing now to this, or are we going to continue to the downside? I'd love for us to go up, have a wick fill close, and then on the 4-hour candlestick, we close all the way up here, meaning, and then we wick fill to the downside. Wick fill means next candlestick opens, then we catch the sell with the momentum to the downside. Like I said, boys, whenever you guys are trading, you guys want to be able to make things look as simple as possible. Obviously, the chart only goes up or it only goes down, but some of you complicate things a lot more than that. And sometimes that's all you really need to do. Thoughts on gold? I'm going to go look at gold right now. Gold has been on a rally for a while now. Just trying to show that it's breaking all-time highs, breaking current highs. We look to the left. We finally probably reached the wick fill. Hey, let me see where that is. Nope. Too much to the left. Yeah, the wick fill was right here. We passed it. We were looking at it at the beginning of the week, like right here, and we marked out this level. And we looked to the left and we said we're gonna mark out this level because this is where we need to end up reaching to wick fill. And then I mean we didn't trade gold, and then gold just kept on going and going and going, and now it passed that level, and now it's just passing more levels. This is like where I don't trade gold just because I'm psychologically fucked on how it's just rallying and I'm not in it. So sometimes when I'm a little bit pissed at the charts, just to keep myself sane, you know, sometimes you just stay away. So right now I've been staying away from gold just because, and I've said it the whole time. I've told you guys, do not take any sells on gold. Gold is going to rally, and it's going to be one of those rallies where it's hard to catch it. It retraces very little, but it just goes. You got to just trust it. We're going back to GJ. I'm liking GJ sells. Hopefully we have some GJ sells real soon. Boys, like I said, on our trade, on our funding pips account, we are basically back to being up 1%. I mean, we were never up 1%. We started the challenge, lost our first 2 trades, we were down 2%. Then we hit one trade, which put us back to break even, and then we hit the next trade, which put us up. So right now I want to risk the profits. I'm going to risk the profits for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio on whatever setup I see, really. It's not, I don't got to be too worried. Obviously, I don't want to risk my profits and lose them. But if we do lose them, we're back at break even. So therefore, break even is basically the same thing as being up 1%. It's just one trade away. So we're not going to really get too scared or too nervous. Or we're just going to be positive and execute when we see something that we need to execute on. Yeah, we're not going to overthink it too much. That's what I mean. We got the house's money, right? We got money to play with. And remember, boys, that is the whole point of me doing this challenge pass series. I'd love for you guys to be able to analyze perfectly how I go about passing my challenges when it talks about psychologically, how it goes about when I go with lot sizes. Like, for example, we've been risking $1,000 per trade, and sometimes we only risk 1,000, and sometimes we aim for 2,000, risking 1,000. Today we're gonna risk the profits. Right now we're risking less than what we've typically done, about 0.8%. As you guys can see, the balance is right here. But we're gonna risk 0.8%. But yeah, we might not even freaking have a take profit, boys. We might just hold this thing. And now I wish the buys looked good, because if the buys looked good, I'd get ready to just throw a large stop loss and hope for price to turn around and start going bullish. But I don't think I'm bullish today, boys. This could be the start of a huge melt out. Now let's go look Forex Factory. I have not checked it today. I want to go to Forex Factory. I knew that we had at 2 a.m., 5 a.m. We're good for the rest of the day. Let me see tomorrow real quick. And then again, we have climate count change, red folder news tomorrow at pre-London session. Same thing as today, boys. Pre-London session tomorrow. Anus, we don't only aim for a 101. This was a trade that we aimed for a 1-to-1. Just this trade we aimed for one. I mean, we aimed for 1-to-1 when we started the challenge because we wanted to win a percent. We were at break even, and then after that we lost, so we were gonna just aim for a percent back. Boom, we did that. And then the third trade, oh yeah, and we lost. And then the third trade, I was like, all right, we need to risk for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio to make all our money back, and we did. So yeah, we're gonna catch 1-to-2 risk reward ratios. We're gonna catch 1-to-3 risk reward ratios, boys. We're gonna try to put ourselves in positions where we don't even have to close, like a stop loss. So today, these, like I said, this 0.8% that we're gonna risk, this 1%, whatever that we're gonna risk, I'm not even gonna freaking worry about the take profit. I'm gonna just catch myself, hopefully catch myself in a great position. What a nut, though. How many of y'all have been watching the challenge, or at least, I mean, because it's been choppy with the days of because I've missed days of stream, but how many of you have been watching this challenge pass series since the beginning? Damn, how close was I to getting stopped out? 5 pips away? Oh my god. I know more people have been there. Anus has been there. Xander has been there. Who has been here since the beginning of the Prop Firm Challenge Pass series? Nice. Good to know that multiple people are coming. Now, how many of you thought I was screwed when I was down 2%? Because how many of you think that you guys are screwed when you guys are down 2% on you guys' own challenges? Arnold, you thought I was screwed? And Arthur, you thought I was screwed? Or you guys are saying you guys were here? I know Arthur thought I was screwed for sure. Xander's like, I 100% knew you were make it back. Insights, you were down with me. Love that insights, but are you back up? Did you at least get to take the winners? So for future reference, boys, like for example, a lot of people must have been, hopefully you guys weren't confused on what to do with this trade. I kind of made it real clear multiple times. I kind of made it real clear multiple times that we're holding to take profit and stop loss if I say that. So like if I make it real clear that we're holding to take profit, we're holding to take profit. You know, like the last thing I show you guys on live stream on my Funding Pips account, it's what it is, you know? Like that's the official what to do. So if you guys got off stream and I was freaking holding this stop loss, and yeah, before I got off stream, I made it clear, guys. This is a stop loss. This is a take profit. Last time, sorry about that. The trade before that, the melt out before that, I actually caught a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. I told you guys this is a stop loss, but put the take profit at all the way at, and so like yeah, if you guys are following along, literally, and actually just, I know it's a little bit weird just doing what I say. little hard to just do that and trust. I did think if you lost 2 more trades, you are done. I promise you, I'm not Arnold's. I'll go literally down 5%, and I definitely still have myself intact. I was hoping, not hoping that I'd go down 5%, but I definitely wanted to go down in this challenge. We might go down again, but it was definitely fun to go down and like I mean, show you guys how locked in I was. Also, I didn't rush things. Damn, the melt out's happening already. I already told you guys I like the melt out. I like the sells more than the buys. I know that we're at a very strong support level, supposedly, where we've seen wick rejections before, but I just don't trust it right now. It's not a place where I want to be taking buys. So the reason 5% for me isn't much, Xander, it's just because I know of my trading abilities, and knowing my trading abilities meaning that I know how many trades I could hit in a row if I really like dedicate my whole, I mean, because I don't really take many trades. So like I come on stream with you guys and I'm like, all right, you know, I got to take a trade today, 1 trade a day, etc., etc. I could easily not giveaway today. Yes, we have a giveaway. Thank you for the reminder. I could easily come and not even take that trade, and just gives me a better opportunity to wait for something that's even more of like a high probability setup. I love the way you trade. You take breaks in between your trades. I mean, sometimes, yeah, you could say that. You could say that. Hopefully you guys have been all in the Discord following along with all the, I mean, everything that I'm doing on the Funding Pips Challenge Pass series, right, that we are up on, just barely got up on. I'm recording for reels, so you guys can go on my Instagram and follow along every single day and be guided with on what to do. Damn, this thing's getting, so remember boys, we're either going from one, remember I'm throwing these block order levels everywhere, and so we're going from here to here, then from here to here. All right, so now we're at this level. Obviously we're either going from this level to there, or from this level to here, and up to the moment. Obviously I'm saying that after the fact, it looks like we are going down to this one. So what I do right here, boys, is just every 50 pips with these little horizontal lines, every 50 pips, because I know I've been showing you guys this strategy a lot. I don't even want to call it a strategy. It's just more of a little indicator, easily way to break down the charts a little easier. You look at the charts in sections, and right now it looks like we're being attracted to 203.500. Let's look at the daily right now. Daily has finally wick filled everything it needs to wick fill. I think what I want to show you guys also, remember what kept me in sells the whole time, boys, has been that we had a bearish candlestick, and then everything else on the higher time frames. Remember, I follow the higher time frames majority. This is right here. What type of candlestick is this one right here? What are these candlesticks? What are these candlesticks called right here? Because I remember I was going on smaller time frames every single one of these days that we streamed this week, and I told you guys, yes, the smaller time frames do look like they're giving bullish price action, but I have to pay attention to what these higher time frame candlesticks are telling me. Now, what were these higher time frame candlesticks telling me, boys? I need somebody to answer in the chat. What are these candlesticks called? We had a bearish candlestick here. What is this one? What is this one? What is this one? What are they called? What happened here? There we go. We got continuation translation. So we had a bearish candlestick, and then we had what we teach here in WMC, Woke Money Concepts, we had a continuation candlestick. A lot of people interpret these candlesticks as turnaround candlesticks. Oh, price needs to turn around. We have a doji, we have a whatever. The no. Erase that out the door. All right, ICT could lick my balls. SMC could lick my balls. All that bullshit could lick my balls. All right, I've proven time and time again that these are continuation candlesticks. What does a continuation candlestick means? It means that it means that we're going to continue. It means what it sounds like. So we had a bearish, then we had a continuation. Oh, another continuation. A little bit of a fake out, believe it or not, still underneath the 8 SMA, and then boom, this was the actual continuation candle of everything. So it's like these just indicate that we have to continue with the momentum that is being presented before it. Kind of like this one, kind of like all of these. Yeah, it's just a continuation candlestick. Here it turned around. Here the continuation candlestick turned into a doji and actually turned around. But majority of the times you will see that it's just the continuation of momentum. You still looking for a trade? Bearish engulfing continuation. Still looking for a trade for what? I don't get it. I hit my trade. My trade got hit, boys. I got to take profit before probably anybody that fucking streamed today. Actually, maybe not. Who knows? Because I almost got stopped out. That is wild. That is wild how quick we reached 203,500. We're here, boys. We are already fucking here. Oh my god. These charts are going nuts. So 203,500, then we throw another 50 pips below that to throw another level. Let's just throw it because we've been doing that 203. So we'll put it right here. So let's make it pretty simple. From here, boys, we are going from here to here, from here to here. I'm with the buys now. I high key am with the buys. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, dude, these charts look fucking crazy right now. I just barely saw Mbappe out of Madrid on my phone while as I looked down also. Should we close at 500? Close what? What are you talking about? Still sells till next zone if you mark if zone you have marked, in my opinion. Yeah, I was looking at buys on my phone and I was like, you know what? I don't really like that. Very aggressive, but like just so much momentum still. All right, so we have in 2 minutes a 15-minute candlestick closing. 15-minute candlestick closing me. This is the 15-minute candlestick. Damn, dude. Damn. All right, so a little breakdown for anybody who was not here. For anybody who was not here for the first few trades, I am doing a challenge pass prop firm series. What does that mean? It means that every single day I am coming on live stream and I am taking one trade a day. That trade is being live managed on live stream, completely showing you guys the lot size, showing you guys the take profit, showing you guys the stop loss, showing you guys exactly how I go about passing my challenge with full transparency. Challenges, right? So therefore, it's easy for you guys to come back every single day and just take that one trade a day and follow along with whatever you guys are doing, or for you guys to just follow along and see and learn how I go about using my psychology skills or how I go about using my advanced trading skills, dynamic risk, to be able to pass these prop firm challenges efficiently. First two trades, we risked 1%. We ended up down. So we basically were down 2%. Next trade, we aimed for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, knowing that we would be at break even if we hit. We did hit. It was a sell that we ended up catching. Great trade. Put us back at break even. Yesterday, we ended up taking another sell. That sell almost stopped us out. We held it for about, I don't know, more than 20 hours, and eventually the nuts came. We had the nuts, but we ended up having a take profit at 30 pips only, and yeah, makes us basically up 1%, a little bit less than that because of swap. Today the game plan is to risk the profits, so risk about 1%. It's a little bit less. I'm gonna go $800. I'm gonna risk $800 for another 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, hopefully, but if we have to close it at 1 to 1, we will. We're not gonna worry too much about the take profit. We're just gonna set a valid stop loss and try holding and swinging. So the more GJ goes down, the better I could actually throw like a stop loss. Like imagine we went and threw a 2 lot and the stop loss $700, so 2.00. Well, I don't know how to make this turn into money. All right, so right there, that's a 2 lot. 2 lot, that's $800 right there. So imagine we threw like a stop loss, $750. So right now, this is exactly our profits. If I press buy right now, we will be risking our profits. I obviously don't want to do that, even though it's a stop loss that's somewhat valid. 203.100. I like that. I like that as a swing. If I was getting ready to get off stream, I'd be probably taking a stop loss all the way here. So it's like 8. So here I put 2 lot into my thing. We have $775 profit. I would easily just like be like, all right, I'm gonna risk my $700 saying that price isn't. So if I would have done it all the way at the bottom, I probably would have been up almost $700. But we're not gonna go so crazy like that. I mean, I'll scalp and pass this challenge like that soon with the profits, but that's probably like for last trade. I'm trying to keep it very organized so you guys can follow along, like I said. But yeah, that rejection, these rejections and wicks are huge right now. So for example, if I would have actually taken it right there, I would have been up 30 pips already. Jesus Christ. Close some profits, bro. No, Arnold's, I hit my take profit. What are you talking about? Oh wait, GJ's trade still on. I didn't have any TP. Oh my god. Damn, dude, look at these rejections. They're huge, 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 huge. Damn, yeah, I expect the chart to keep on melting out, I think, right now. I'm not sure if we're ready to go bullish. Oh. I mean, anything could happen right now. We're just gonna have to be patient to be able to take our next trade. Come on, GJ. All right, so on our 4-hour candlestick, we have a... Damn, dude, this was a huge, huge nut to the downside. We're at 710. Our 4-hour candlestick, where's my 4-hour candlestick number? We got, our charts are a little... I'm about to erase everything from the charts. A little clogged up right now. Where's my 4-hour candlestick timer? Oh, 10 minutes till this 4-hour candlestick closes? Jesus Christ. That is no bueno. Oh, this is... Chat, if you guys have liked so far this Challenge Pass series and what we are doing here on YouTube to be able to help you guys or give you guys a perspective on how I do this, make sure you guys like up the stream. If you guys have not been following this on Instagram, I post a video daily showing you guys the updates on how we are doing on this Challenge Pass series. It can have a huge rejection on this 4-hour candlestick. So we have a new 4-hour candlestick coming out. New 4-hour candlesticks, yes, they do have, I mean, that's where we're going to see a lot of momentum. I'm expecting a wick fill to the downside, though, before we actually go up. I don't know why. Big nut. Yeah, dude. This sellout was huge. Only pips. All right, we gotta wait for this next candlestick closing. So we have a candlestick, we have an hourly candlestick closing in 9 minutes. So that's this hourly candlestick that we see right here, and then we are either, and then from here you guys could start doing the strategy of the bounce from obviously from here to here, from here to here. Right now we're getting indications that it looks like we're being more attractive to this level. So yeah, like this guy said, the 4-hour looks like it might reject. I anticipated a 4-hour candlestick leaving a wick to the downside, so I said I wanted the 4-hour candlestick to close here or 4-hour candlestick to close here. And then the next 4-hour candlesticks to just start wick filling everything to the downside. It's one of my favorite setups. We're gonna be patient, boys. No, I didn't take a trade today. This was a trade from yesterday.
Your body's a wonderland. Your body's a wonder. I will use my hands. Your body's a wonderland. Your body's a wonderland.
Benjamin, I just barely saw your message. No, the trades are different. The trades, I mean, they're gonna be the same soon. That one was different. Why is it different? Because your account's below 5%. Well, okay, below 3%, below 4%. Well, what was it at before that? I was at break even. You were at beneath 4%. So it's just different trades. For example, the way I trade when I'm at break even is way different from when I trade at drawdown. So honestly, when this was already halfway into like drawdown, to the, I'm not sure. This was, or I think it was in profit that I knew it was turning around. I was like, all right, I'm gonna just take a buy because I think the. No, you're actually down 3%.
Cause if I say I miss you, I know that you won't. But I miss you in the mornings when I see the sun. Something in the orange tells me we're not done. To you I'm just a man, to me you're all I am. Where the hell am I supposed to go? I'm pausing myself against something in.
Alright, candlestick has gone aggressively to the downside. New candlestick opening is coming. Alright, so we have the 5 minute. We have 5 minutes till all candlesticks close. What's happening here?
The orange touches all things around. The grass, trees, and dew. How I just hate you. Please turn those headlights around.
Downtown Drive. I'm see a continuation GGL. I will look for just sells.
I need to hear you say you've been waiting all night.
Yeah, it's looking like a continue. I would peso take the account to. No, I didn't take the account to minus 5%. I got an account. The account was given to me down like $8,000, $7,000. I have lost 1,000. I've lost less than 1% in it up to the moment. It was 2%, but now I made that back. So nothing different from what I've done on live stream. Boom. So, all right, what is up with the US dollar, bro? It's crashing. The account was given at minus 3.5, and what are you at right now? I was given to me at minus 3.5. That's minus $7,000, and right now you are at. You're basically down minus 3.5% still. Relax. And if it wasn't getting psychology fucked right now, I definitely would have probably been holding this trade even longer, and it probably would have gone even more. But I'm being psychology fucked right now. I was in a strong sell right now. Alright, boys. So for the Challenge Pass series today, like I said, we are basically back to being up. we're not up much. We're only up $700. It should be up 1%, but the swap got us there. So for those who have been following since the beginning, we took 2 trades. They were both 1% risks. We lost the first trade, lost the second trade. The third trade, we took it at a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Trade hit, made us back to break even. Yesterday, we ended up swinging this sell. I told you guys, hold this stop loss, hold this take profit. I wish I would have been on live stream. Maybe would have hold it longer. Could have, should have, would have, didn't. We're back to up $700 on this 100K challenge. We have 35 people here, so I'm glad that people are joining more and more. I want you guys to be able to literally, if you guys aren't following along trade by trade, I mean, it's the same thing that we've been doing since we've been streaming, which is 1 trade a day. So it's very easy to follow along. I'm also showing you guys literally the risk every time. They're showing you guys exactly the risk, showing you guys exactly the take profit and stop loss. We're only taking these prop firm trades on live stream. It's not that I'm sending the Discord trades and taking those as well. So we're only closing out on trades on live stream. We're only adjusting trades on live stream. Everything that is, I'm only touching this prop firm account on live stream in front of you guys, fully transparent. There's also reels that I am posting daily on this prop firm challenge pass series. Boys, I'm just showing you guys, I'm telling you, I've charged people hundreds of dollars to do this. What I'm doing for you guys free. Hundreds of people. I'm telling you, little screenshots. It's probably an average about $500 to $1,000. So each one of these, I charge 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. I've charged all these people to pass their challenges. Now I'm doing them a disservice by literally passing my challenge in front of everybody. I actually have some other challenges I'm passing as well, but I'm passing all these challenges in front of you guys for free. For free. I'm literally showing you guys how I do it. So you guys don't think it's no bot. So you guys don't think any crazy. I've seen all types of crazy assumptions. This is legit just somebody who has a confident trading strategy, who knows how to execute and go about his, you know, I don't freaking know what you want to call it, but you guys are going to be able to see perfectly. And so I was happy that we entered in drawdown first, because we lost our first trade, we lost our second trade, and everybody's like, oh shit, you lost your first 2 trades, you're down 2%. Now you're going to risk another percent. If you lose this one, you're down 3. And now it's like that's exactly what I want you guys to see. I don't get phased by being down 1%. I don't get phased by being down 2%. Every trade on its own could easily lose. I could have lost 3 to 4 trades in a row and I wouldn't have gotten worried. Why? Because I've seen my statistics in the past, right? I've seen my statistics in the past where I know how many trades I've lost in a row. I know how many trades and just like we've had the spreadsheet before. I'm gonna send the spreadsheet right now. We've logged our data before. So if you trust your data and you know that you hit, you know, on a 1 to 4 clip, or you know that you could hit 33% of your trades and still be up, like, you got to know these types of things. And just me confidently, I know if I keep on taking the setups that I trust, I mean, and I only keep on risking 1%, I gotta lose way too many trades in a row to actually blow the account. So that's why I typically have the confidence that I have whenever I do these things. Whenever it comes to the prop firm challenge pass, majority of people, I always tell them that I put the risk on me when it first starts. What does that mean? Is that I give them like the benefit of the doubt that I will be able to refund them or get by them another challenge if it does go bad. But that's just trying to give them the benefit of the doubt that I know that I have it handled. Any prop firm recommendations, bro? How much do you charge for a 100K account? I don't know. For a 100K account, typically, it really just depends. It really depends on if I'm giving the actual 30%. It should be $800. Straight the fuck up. Bro, if you had 0.6 drawdown left, how much would you risk? If I had 0.6 drawdown left, I mean, it's different because I have the money to blow the challenge. So I would probably risk the 0.6%. Now, if you really can't lose it, man, it's a hard question to ask because you got a big hill to climb. So if it's not that you risk a little bit this trade, or if it's not you risk a little bit next trade, eventually you need to up that lot size to actually get yourself back at break even. All right. So we had a new candlestick hourly opening. New hourly opening is showing us a little bit of bullish moment. I think that's fake out. I don't think this is going to make a bottom wick top wick. I think it's going to keep on going down. Which I wish I would have been holding Benjamin's trade, but Benjamin came in here and started psychology messing me. This is gonna keep on going. If we would have been holding Benjamin's trade, goddamn, I would have been up like fucking. Oh, never mind. Jinx it, jinx it, jinx it. So it turns around, please. Turn the fuck around. Fly. Don't make me feel bad about it. Gold on the move for a retracement. Like I said, regardless of gold retracing, gold is a very bullish pair, and I do not like trading against the trend. So make sure if you guys are trading gold, you guys are not taking sells. Let's go back to GJ. GJ, I mean, let's erase everything from these charts. We anticipated since last stream that these wicks would get filled, and I told you guys this stream, yes, we are at a level of support, but I don't think that that actually means that we're just gonna bounce. I think that we're actually gonna, you know, melt through it. It's one of my favorite setups, right? Acting like we're at support, then we just fucking die. Right now we're beneath support. We have to start asking ourselves, is bearish momentum getting exhausted? That's what we have to start. DXY nutted to. I'm gonna pull out the DXY. We have to ask ourselves, is this bearish price action getting exhausted, or does it still have momentum in it? Now, I don't recommend us taking buys here and reverse trading such bearish momentum. Now, could you win a trade? Yes. Now, if you win this trade, right, taking a buy right now, catching it while it goes up, you're kind of, I don't want to say teaching yourself the wrong thing. I don't want to say you're teaching yourself the wrong thing, because it is a setup that we take on stream. You guys know that I love taking the break of, like, for example, whenever we have a range and then we break the bottom of that range and then we zap back into the range. It's a valid setup. It's a valid setup, but I don't want you guys taking it for the wrong reasons, right? I don't want you guys being like, oh, we're gonna take it because it's oversold, and no. You know, taking a buy right now, you have to understand easily this candlestick could just turn around and flip. So therefore, if you're being very aggressive, if you're trying to make sure, if you really don't want to lose, this is a no trade zone. If anything, it's a trade zone when this hourly flips bearish. We catch the continuation of sells. I'm still very thinking that this is going to sell off to the downside, but up to the moment, I mean, honestly, I'm just rambling because I got no trades. I got no trades because I don't want to take the buy. I see the sells playing out, but my stop loss would be too short. Why? Because I'm only going to risk 1%, and 1% I could only throw 30-35 pip stop loss, and I don't know if it's going to keep on going that much. So what we could do is wait for price to retrace. You know, maybe do the break and retest. Break. This was the break. Retest. Act like you're going bullish. Boom. Momentum again to the downside. So don't give up. What the hell is being played right now? I see weird music being played. I apologize for that. Xander says, let's take a sell. Let's take a sell. Oh, chat, what do you guys think? Chat, I want to know what the chat thinks. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GBP JPY. One's in the chat. I want to see who is bullish on GBP JPY. Don't be scared, because buys are a very strong possibility. Now, if you guys are bearish, I want to see twos in the chat. Twos in the chat if you guys are bearish. Dorcas is bearish. Xander is bearish. Badass, you here, brother? I need... Alright, oh, boys, I told you guys that we would do the giveaway today. We're doing a $50 giveaway. If you guys want to be able to participate in today's $50 giveaway, all you have to do is go to my last reel and
Yeah, you have to comment on my last reel, and then I'm gonna grab people from the. We're just gonna do a random raffle. My last reel on Instagram. Isaac is bearish. Insights is bullish though. Insights is bullish though. So I'm short-term bearish. Damn, dude. Maybe we should just take this sell. Oof. Oh my god, I'm so interested to see what's gonna happen when this low right here gets broken. Let's go look at the DXY. Oh wow, dollar index aggressively coming down. So that means GU is melted. What? Oh wait, GU is going down. What am I saying? GU should be going up. Dollar's getting weaker. Pound is getting stronger. Crazy as hell, and gold's about to start rallying again. Look at this 4-hour look at this 4-hour candlestick on gold. That's wild. Kaba pips US tech crazy sell-off. The QQQs. Man, what's crazy is that if y'all thought that what I'm taking into consideration, believe it or not, is that before I didn't really think that, I mean, it's not that I didn't think that Trump was gonna win. When I'm talking about like against Biden right now, in this election race, I thought that Biden still had a pretty good chance of winning, just because there's so many people that really just don't know. Not that they don't know, that's the wrong thing to say, that they just dislike Trump, so therefore they would vote for Biden. But I think with Trump getting shot, it's such a strong impact news that like it's just such a freaking, weirdly it's a plus for him. More eyes are on him, makes him look like, you know, an innocent person. He done got a chance after getting shot. That's what I'm trying to say, right? And so why I factored that in is because when Trump came into presidency back in 2020 or whatever the freak it happened, I really don't remember before that, or whatever before that. Sorry for this. When we were trading, boys, there was what we would call the Christmas rally. The Christmas rally happened multiple years in a row with Trump. And what was that? That was towards the end of the year. We had the S&P 500 as well as GJ as well as gold. Everything was just rallying. It was called the Christmas rally, the Trump rally. We were literally just freaking seeing some explosions across the fucking board. Days of anything can happen will be back. Yes, days of anything can happen will be back. When Trump's in office, man, that just means anything can happen. He just opens his mouth and we got the charts getting vaulted. Man, I just love the price action that we get with Trump in office, and I'm not even joking when I say that. So right now it looks like the buyers are getting exhausted by more sellers in the market. We are clearly seeing this hourly candlestick made a high. If this hourly candlestick would have reached this right here, this engulfment, that little top of the candlestick, I would have expected it to possibly go and now start reaching this 8 SMA. It didn't even reach the top of this engulfing, so it didn't even engulf this candlestick. So now it's halfway to flipping bearish. I think we're gonna range around this area for a little bit. I don't even think we're gonna melt. I don't think we're gonna 90 to 100 pip ranges on a normal days, lol, when Trump was on presidency. Man, the trading back then when Trump was in presidency was just like, I mean, that's where we discovered you can't throw fucking 10 pip 20 pip stop. Remember when people used to take 10 pip trades, 10 pips on GJ, 20 pip buys, 20 pip sells, like it was like a normal thing. Then Trump came into office, and then if you were to take a 10 pip sell, or a 10 pip buy, you're basically just instantly stopping yourself out, or instantly just Yeah, I'm upset that, I mean, we were already none have been trading that long. I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to just take a random trade just to take it, but because we were in the sell already. Remember, I teach you guys, trading comes in waves, boys, right? Trading comes in waves. What does that mean? If you think a certain wave is going to play out a certain way, that means we're in a trade, right? We're in a buy. We think that the momentum is going to come and it's going to push price up. Momentum comes, it actually pushes price down. You can't just randomly decide to hop into the sell when price starts going down, right? That means the wave has already came. It's already crashing, you know? You got to let the wave crash, settle, retrace, you know how waves retrace, and then try to catch the next wave. So my point being, we were already in this sell. We were in this sell since yesterday, right? We sold here, stop loss here, etc. Boom. We caught the wave. It's kind of, this is still kind of a part of the same wave, which kind of throws me off psychologically. Like, this is still the same sell off. I take a sell here, it's like, why'd you close originally in the first part? Man, only pips. I wish, man, if you guys didn't, trading during the year 2020 was so fun. Oh my god. During 2020 was super fun. When also was fun, during Brexit. There you go. During Brexit, when we were trading during Brexit, that was fucking awesome. That was when I actually got, like, that was the first times I actually made money. That was the first times I actually, like, built confidence in the charts, was trading GJ during Brexit. Oh my god. There was just, that's when anything could happen at any moment. We would trade these charts, boys, just like this. No news. Imagine we have no news. And randomly, I've been with Daniel Savage streaming and have the charts melt out about 300 to 400 pips off of no news, because there's just random Brexit news. Off of no news, 400 pips in 3 to 4 seconds easily, because we recounted. So imagine, I remember perfectly, we did something like, I don't know, we took a buy, 30 pips stop loss. Boys, I'm talking about in a matter of boom, like 4 seconds, we literally just completely and that would happen all the time. Bro, you just sent me the confirmation. My bad, brother. Let me check where you. So what, you had to message them to, like, confirm them? That's totally fine. I mean, I haven't received it. I just was waiting on it. I didn't really mind if you just waited. Oh, brother. I high key. Actually, I don't know. No, I haven't received it. I was about to say. I was like, yo, maybe I received it right now. No. No, yeah, you're fine, Benjamin. I know you were gonna send them. I mean, I knew you sent it, and then I just know that sending international wire transfers are, like, all weird and shit like that. I wasn't worried though. Not worried, wasn't worried. What did do, Cactus? Shout out to my man. My man from South Africa, right? Wait, you're in South Africa, Cactus? Or are you in called last Friday and they were, what the hell? Did I receive it? See all transactions. No. Anybody got USDT? I want to buy some few. I'm not really sure what that means. I'm liking the continuation of sells right now. I think it's a no trade zone area right now. Sorry for the people who are a little impatient with it, but this is what trading is. 90% of trading is waiting. All the way from the motherland, South Africa. Where's everybody in the chat from? I want to know where everybody's in the chat from. Only Pips, where are you from? Anus, where are you from? Who won the giveaway? We still have not done the giveaway. All right, so to participate in the giveaway, Badas, can you do me a favor and send the last reel, please? If you guys want a $50 giveaway, all you have to do to participate in today's giveaway is have a comment on my last reel, like and comment. I told you, brother. I told you. That's so funny. I thought you were already watching the trades. I didn't know that you weren't watching the trades. All right, boys. Look at the chat. Look at the chat. If you guys want to be able to participate in today's giveaway, make sure you go to that comment, that link that got sent. And from there, you guys will be able to participate in today's giveaway. We're going to do a raffle before we get off. We're going to get off stream at 6 o'clock, boys. For me, that's in 45 minutes. I don't have a lot of time today. Regardless, we already won our trade today. If I take a trade for this Prop Firm Challenge Pass series, I will show you. Obviously, we're taking it on live stream, and we'll hold it through. Up to the moment, I don't see any potential trades. What I would love to do is have this. Maybe if this goes up a lot more, we'll potentially take the sell off again. This is day 6 reel. Yes. Damn, what I just thought about, I erased. You just have to comment on my last reel, and then we're going to do a raffle. If your name hits in the raffle, I will check if you commented on my last reel. If you did, that means you are eligible for the winning prize, which is $50. Man, in giveaway money, I have probably I've given away a lot of goddamn money on stream. Not too much, but definitely a lot more than I've seen other people give away money that they actually got money. Come on, give me my GJ chart, please. I want to redo this video. Come on. Shout out to India. Boom, we're here.
viste al principio fue una broma, luego la verdad se asoma, intercambiamos sonrisas. Pasó algún tiempo, poco menos de una hora, y por debajo de la mesa tú te contó con mi bota. Fue más sencillo que hacer la tabla del uno, y a la hora del desayuno ya sabía que te amaba. A las semanas de iniciar con la aventura se nos hizo miel la luna y un concierto pa' Tijuana. Era prohibido, era imposible, pero hicimos lo que se nos dio la gana. Después de eso nos veíamos casi a diario, y nuestro amigo el calendario nos dio 400 citas. De tanto amarnos nos volvimos dos extraños, no sé quién tomó y tomaba. ¿Y tú dónde estoy ahorita? Fue más sencillo que hacer la tabla del uno, y a la hora del desayuno ya sabía que te amaba.
All right. My bad. I was making the reel for the Challenge Pass series. Boys, look at this, how perfect these zones play out for each other. Like, it's always just from here to here, from here to here. All right, we're here. Now we're going from here to here, or from here to here. All right, we got here. Now we're going from here to here. Like, they play out so well. These zones are amazing. All right, what's poppin'? Pakistan, South Africa. Paras, did you get the payout from Equity Edge? I think Paras did get his Equity Edge payout at the end of the day. It took a while, though.
Pasando el tiempo analizando la ruptura, la versión que tiene el lobo no es la de Caperucita. De tanto amarnos nos volvimos los extraños. No sé quién tomó tu mano ni tú dónde estoy ahorita. Seguramente para la otra que nos veamos repitamos lo de la primera cita.
Boys, I'm thinking of taking the continuation of sells for and just risking the profits, but I don't know if we should call it a no trade day, or we take the, or we just risk the profits and we go, if we lose it, we lose it. We're at break even. If we hit, we hit. What do you guys think? We should risk the profits, or we should just call it a no trade day type shit? I'm trying to decide with my live stream if we should be taking a trade today or we should no trade day it.
Me pasan días mirando partes, de ilusiones tuyas me diluyo, y de todo lo que puede ser yo decidí ser tuyo. Dime por qué, si éramos uno para el otro, ¿cómo piensas olvidar al amor de tu vida? Estamos horas hablando sin tener que decir nada. Yo creo que estuvimos juntos en una vida pasada. Si nos quedamos dormidos, los teníamos en los sueños, y de un futuro los dos ya teníamos hecho el diseño. Me quiero cortar las manos aunque me pueda morir, porque las odio, porque te dejaron ir, porque te dejaron ir. Y si me paso por tus pensamientos, aunque sea una vez al año, no dudes en abrazarme, que te extraño. Dime por qué, si éramos uno para el otro, ¿cómo piensas olvidar al amor de tu vida? Pasamos horas hablando sin tener que decir nada. Yo creo que estuvimos juntos
bro, is Miami like a movie? It definitely is like a movie. Man, there's a lot. Like, it's so funny. Whenever there's sometimes, I mean, I'm one of those individuals, but sometimes I'm in the middle of the streets in Miami. I look around. I'm like, damn, Lamborghini over there. Damn, Rolls Royce over there. Damn, chicks over here. Damn, chicks over there. And then I ask myself, what the hell are all these people freaking doing on a Monday, Tuesday in the middle of the street? Like, don't these people got jobs? It's like you put yourself in the middle of Miami anywhere, and you just look around and you ask yourself, like, wait, why isn't any of these people working? Like, what the fuck do these people do for a living? Now, little they know, I'm up all night fucking working. I live stream. I'm here fucking on the grind at home. And so I could go out during the day. But these people are out during the day. These people are out during the night. These people are just out, and you're just like, God damn, dude. Like, where is this coming from? Or you'll see like these, or it's like your mom watching at some points when you're looking down the street and randomly you're looking at moms, and then there's certain moms that just got the G-Wagon, they got the freaking Richard Million, they got the crazy ass AP or something, and you're just like, damn, dude, like, who's that woman's husband? Like, who the hell is that woman's husband? Is that one of Jeff Bezos's girls? Is that fucking Dan Bilzerian's girls? And it's also a very small place. Miami's a small city, believe it or not. It's not, I mean, like, I know it's probably going to trigger people hearing that, but Miami's a small city, man. It's like everybody kind of knows each other in the area. It's easy to get from one place to another. Business is business. Miami, bienvenido, muchachos. You need to clear your setup. Dude, I need to clear my setup big time. My charts were big, ugly. Now, I was kind of doing that to show you guys the zone of zones that I draw out, but it is... Boys, give me 1 minute. I need to use the restroom. Paras, are you there? Paras, are you there?
Decoré con flores como te gustaba a ti. De comer chatarra ya dejé. Y de ver la tele hasta dormir. Dejé el cigarrillo, ya no me sabe el café. Como a mí me gusta, solo a ti te queda bien. Ya la bicicleta la arreglé. Y por ti empecé a estudiar.
All right, bear back.
You mention me, y'all. Diamonds, they taped in my portfolio. Fill up a safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. X-By the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas on shit, ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, it's acting my down. Trapping it up with a whole 100 rounds. Sacking it up, ain't no fucking around. Rigging that growth, ain't no fucking around. Ice overload, this ain't regular ice. Hop on a private, ain't regular flights. Smash on your hoe, this is everyday life. I flip the safe up from cooking the white. Fall out the Pyrex and cake in the bowl. Used to the fame, y'all ain't taking my soul. Came in the game, I was hot as a stove. Pouring Celine, I'm trying to let it go. Rocking Celine from my head to her toe. Fur on her back in the summer, she cold. BB's gon' light up and glisten, they glow. Blinding your eyesight, you never gon' see. Came out the 6, that my diamonds gon' flee. I made a meal in the middle of the week. I sell a chick in the middle of the street. When I drop a tape, the murder rate increase. Fuck all that poppin', I stay with some bands. Shawty so yellow, she stay with a tan. Diamonds on me, got some rocks in my hand. Fuck the police, gotta stay with the can. I chop the top off a regular race. Shawty on perk, this a drug addict date. I got the torch, I can't give it away. Ain't no remorse, you get hit in the face. Check out the way I be glistening, y'all. Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds stay draped in my portfolio. Fill up the safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. Ace by the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas talk shit, ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, it's acting my down. Trapping it up with a whole 100 rounds. Stacking it up, ain't no fucking around. Rig it, that growth, ain't no fucking around. Photo Bugatti, you mention the G. Brand new millennium, ain't hit the streets. I shaped it up, get to having a feast. I racked it up like Serena with me, like a Venus with me, got the Nina with me. We screaming free bands, this money ain't free. I cook it up, I'ma cook up a key. When I cook up a key, I'ma charge you a fee. I did it first, it ain't nothing but a trend. Swerve on the curb, it ain't nothing but a Benz. I was on 2, then I took it to 10. Keep it 1,000, rep the gang in the pen. Shoot at the police, ain't coming back home. Down for my crew, if they right or they wrong. Get to that money, that's all I could don. Shoot at your top, you ain't fucking with home. We hit the block, had a bag full of stones. Dripped off a bell before I made a song. They ain't gon' tell you how I got it on. I'm not a failure, I'm deep in my zone. Paraphernalia, I serve you a crumb. Super exclusive when I put it on. We get a Zuda where I'm coming from.
I'm back. Guess who's back?
Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds stay taped in my portfolio. Fill up the safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. Ace by the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas talk shit, ain't gon' never be found.
Now me looking at this, I'm seeing potential gold buys. Potential gold buys. Notice that today I came to the charts with no coffee, boys. No coffee. Y'all should be proud. No, just kidding. Don't take buys on gold. Don't take buys on gold. Lower time frames don't even aren't giving us any indications that price is ready to turn around. It is 5:35 a.m. 5:35 in the morning, boys. I told you guys that I have to get off at 6. At 6, I am off. So I have about 20 plus minutes. Oh, we can do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Look at GU buys. Oh my god. Holy crap, dude. And this was, I mean, off of taking buys off of this, after this fake out right here. I mean, you see that we had huge bearish price action, broke the support level, came back into the support level. Badass is down as hell to do this giveaway because he knows that he has fucking a high ass chance of winning because this dude always wins my giveaways. All right, what do we do for a giveaway again? Let's do a giveaway. Oh look, there's a song request. That's awesome. Giveaways, mods are eligible. Active user, active timeout. All right, boys, right now to officially participate in today's giveaway, you have to comment, say something in the chat. You say something in the chat and you're going to be an eligible user. Now, if your name hits as an eligible user and you do not have a comment on one of my last 2 reels, actually both of my reels, both of the last 2 reels that were posted, if there's no comment there, we will have a problem. You will not win the giveaway. I need everybody to type 1 in the chat. Everybody type 1 in the chat. I want to see full of 1s in the chat. The chat has decided it's going to be a no trade day, but we are doing a $50 giveaway.
Change.
We have 14 eligible users right now. There's only 14 people right now participating in this challenge. Baras, do me a favor and send the link of one of the reels, please. Again, spam the link, boys. If you guys want to participate first, make sure you guys type something in the chat. Once you guys type something in the chat, you will be an eligible user. Once you're an eligible user, just make sure that you have a comment on one of my last reels. Look at the chat right now. The chat is being spammed with my Instagram link, or with the link to the exact reel that you need to have a comment on. If you do not have a comment, you will not win the giveaway. If you comment after the fact that your name hits, you will not win. We will roll in 2 minutes. We will roll in 2 minutes.
My niggas don't know you, we do not for which. I've been in the system, I've been in the paper, you did me like shovels, I gotta fuck with. I put 20 inside the seat. I pull up on you and I pop at your key.
Fuck the 2 minutes. All right, let's start rolling. I'm gonna roll. One second.
I'ma kill you and your man. I'ma kill beat down the block like an am. Going up like a skateboard on the round. Go by the rollie and bust it. Talking that tough shit, but you know you not gonna bust shit. Look at my fashion. This is a Gucci rug. Look at it. I'm trapping and rapping. Still got them babies in custody. My diamond be dancing, living the mansion. My life is love. Ain't no more loyalty.
All right, boys, I am gonna roll within 2 minutes, boys. 2 minutes. We only got 16 people on this fucking giveaway, boys. 16 people. Like, this is like a free money for one of y'all. If this was, yeah, a 1 out of 16 chance of hitting. All right, and if Baras's name hits, because Baras has won multiple giveaways. Oh no, what was the last time? Remember last time I told you guys? I think there was about like, dude, there was like almost 80 people in the last giveaway, or a giveaway where I told you guys, I was like, all right, if I guess the name of the person that the name hits, I was like, I'll give away more. I don't remember what the fuck I did, but I know out of 70 plus people, I guessed the correct motherfucker that was gonna hit. Y'all remember that? Baras, you remember that? When I was like, oh, I feel like this guy's name. All right, so I'm gonna do this again. I feel like Muzami Ashraf is gonna hit. Muzami, much love to you, brother. How much is the giveaway? It's a $50 giveaway. $50 giveaway. It's nothing too big. Ugh, shot. Pretty tired. All right, boys, if you guys do not have a comment on the last reel and your name hits, remember, you are not eligible to win the giveaway. You are not winning. I'm gonna roll in 10 seconds, boys. You remember that? That was from months ago. And no, dude, I wish I Boys, make sure you are on the. I have some people messaging me a little bit confused on my Instagram. Baras, send the link one more time. Look at the link. If you guys scroll up on the chat, there is a link to the reel that you guys need to have a comment on. I'm rolling in 5 seconds. 5, 4. Let me record it. Let me record it. All right, boys, I'm rolling. All right, boys, I'm rolling. And the winner is... No, that was, I swear to God, that was the second guess. Benji, let's go. Let's go. W's in the chat, boys. W's. Dude, that's so funny. It's such a funny person to win. Yo, do you have a comment? Boys, we gotta check. We gotta check the last reel. Go check the last reel. Go check the last reel. Does he have a comment on the last reel? Let's go confirm. His name is Benjamin. It's Benjamin A on Instagram, something like that. It's pretty similar. Boys, we will be doing more giveaways this week. If you guys want to be able to participate in more giveaways, make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Make sure you guys are joining daily to see the Challenge Pass series. We are on a streak right now, 100%, and we are moving with a lot of momentum, boys. So if you guys want to follow along on this Challenge Pass series that we are doing, make sure you guys are following along daily and just turn on all the notifications and make sure you're following on Instagram where I'm doing all the announcements. I am posting a reel daily. He didn't comment. I think so. He wouldn't have put his name and then not commented. Check the one before that because originally it was the one before that. I'm actually doing a challenge pass with Benjamin. Benjamin's yeah, yes I did. So chat. The thing is, I made it very clear. It was we were doing a giveaway for the reel before my last one. And then now because you guys asked me about it today, I was like, yes, just comment on the last reel. So if he has a comment, he did on yesterday's reel 7 minutes ago. So you see how he comment? If he would have commented 2 minutes ago, he would have lost. Or a minute ago, he would have lost. How much are you up on the Funding Pips challenge? Vija, we are up, baby. We took a 1% loss. Then we took another 1% loss. Then we were like, all right, we're going to risk another 1%, but we're going to go for a 1 and 2 risk reward ratio. Bang! We hit. Now we're at break even. After break even, we took another 1% trade. Took a sell, we swung it, and then we hit. Now swap charged just a little bit. So we are only up a little bit under 1%, but you see 100,700. We're down. We're up. We're finally up on the Challenge Pass series. We're not up too much, but we're up. Now I could risk the profits today and then off a sell, but I think I'm just gonna wait. Yes, fair. Next time he better do it a day before. LOL. Hell yeah, he better do it a day before. All right, boys. If you guys want to be able to participate in the next, I could do the next. You guys want to do the next? The next giveaway comments. Like if you guys want, I could throw up another reel right now. How about, yeah, let's do that. I have an idea. I'm gonna finish my video live, making a reel. I'm gonna post the reel, and everybody has to comment there, and then that will be the eligible people for the next giveaway, which will be tomorrow. All right, I'm posting. Baras, I don't have day 7. Hold up, chat. Baras, can you send me day 7? The day 7, the day 7 photo. Jesus. I'm posting a reel right now, boys. Hold up. All right. For anybody who is, do you guys have any questions about the Challenge Pass series? Is there anybody who is not aware of what is happening when it comes down to the Challenge Pass series that we are doing? We're gonna do, all right. So for tomorrow's giveaway, for you guys, while you guys write your guys' questions for tomorrow's giveaway, we could do 2 $25 giveaways, or we could do one $50 giveaway. Really just depends. I'll check my DMs after. Get to 5K subs, Peso. Boys, make sure you guys are subscribing and turning on post notifications. Share the channel with your friends and family. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. I'm not sure exactly what the subscriber count is right now. Can somebody tell me? But I definitely want to be able to fucking reach 5,000 before the end of the year. And hopefully, man, 10,000 before the end of the year. $1, you want one $50 giveaway instead of 225s. Benjamin, I haven't seen your DMs, but do you want to accept your $50 giveaway, or do you want to double it and we re-roll? I'm just kidding. I did that once and it played out very well. We've had Paras win money, give it away. We've had AJ give money and give it away. We've had so there's been a good amount of people that have won money and given it away on this channel. Benjamin High Key is one of those who I think would win the money and give it away. This guy actually has money, I'm pretty sure. So I don't think he's too excited about $50. $50 is $50 though, boys. Y'all know what I do with $50? I'll have a fun ass giveaway with it. All right, boys, I'm posting the last reel within 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30.
Always smoking something, he ain't worried about nothing, cause he ain't got nothing to lose. I got a thing for the hard lick on ice, short days and long nights, Marlboros at the window,
my bad for the damn. No way, GJ's actually recovering. All right, it's being posted. It's being posted. Share. All right, Paras, any chance you could grab? All right, boys, if you guys want to participate in tomorrow's giveaway, you guys have to be eligible by commenting in my last reel that has been posted. It literally has just been up. Well, not even yet. Okay, it's officially been posted. It has officially been posted. I'm going to grab it and send it to you guys. Boom, I'm sending it to the comment section. Make sure, all right, so guys, look at the chat. It's being spammed in the chat. Make sure you guys comment right there if you guys want to be able to participate in tomorrow's giveaway. We'll do a $50 giveaway. I will ask the winner if he wants to double it and re-roll, or I will ask if you guys want to split it into two winners. We'll be dynamic with it. Damn, I just fucked up the video. I just fucked up the video. I just fucked up the video. Guys, take that back. Oh my god. What do I do? I honestly don't even know what to do about us. Damn, dude, I fucked up. Oh, I can change it. I can change it. Woof. Close one. Woohoo! We can change it. We can just change it there. All right, boys, we are back. I did it. I did it. My wife is gonna kill me because I'm screaming and she got work pretty soon. Boys, I got a golf match to get to, boys. I'm finna go play some golf right now. We already did today's giveaway. We already established that we're up 1% on the Challenge Pass series. Boys, if you guys want to follow along, tomorrow will be a fresh new day. We will be on for London session around London Open. We have news tomorrow. I will be on after the news. We don't want to trade news right now. So we have, if you guys look at Forex Factor, we see that we have pre-London session news, climate count change, CCC, red folder news for pre-London session till tomorrow. Boys, I'm glad for whoever has been able to follow along with us and whoever's just barely enjoying the experience. Make sure you guys, I don't really know what to say. What I do want to say is that I fucking told y'all I'll make it back to break even. Just kidding. All right, boys. It was a great challenge pass series with you. I mean, it was a great day today. It's your home ball. Much love to you guys. Thank you guys for joining every single day. Boys, if you guys have any inquiries about the challenge passes, about having your challenges passed, you guys go to the Discord. You look at the Discord. You guys go to where it says notice challenge passes. Oh, just kidding. You guys go all the way to the bottom where it says open a ticket. You open a ticket and you guys can ask as many questions as you guys want. See ya, brother. Arnold's, much love to you, Arnold's. Much love to you, Arthur. Anus, Insights. Anus, you gotta change that name, brother. Badass, Xander, Only Pips, Garage Trader, Benji, Vija. The whole WMC gang is here. Yange, Cactus, Owen, Roshan Paul. Man, shout out to you guys, boys. Make sure you guys comment in the last. Make sure you guys comment in the last reel that I posted. If you guys want to participate in tomorrow's $50 giveaway, we will be doing more giveaways. I sent it right there. Make sure you guys have a comment there. If you guys don't comment, you guys can't win. Much love to y'all. Peace.
Lights gone, days end, struggling to pay rent, long nights, strange men. And they say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. They scream the worst things in life come free to us, cause we're just under the upper hand. I'll go mad for a couple grams, and she don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe she flies to the motherland, or sells love to